Yeah, it's hockey season, and Tim Hortons proudly presents to you at Tim Hortons hockey packs of Upper Deck Hockey. And you can go and buy a drink, and you'll get a pack of cards for like $1 a pack. That's how it works. So, anyways, I got my Tim Hortons hat on, I got my Maple Leaf jersey on, and what a game that we just seen the other day with the rookie scoring 4 goals for Toronto Maple Leafs there. Well, let's take a look and see what I got in my hockey packs from Tim Hortons. What the packs look like actually right here. They got Sidney Crosby on the cover, Stanley Cup champion from last season. Actually, I have a whole handful of packs to go through. Let's take some time and check out what we've got. Okay, so the first pack I'm gonna open up for you right here. See, it's sealed. Let's take a look. There's some jersey cards here. There's some special cards. There's some special wins. Let's take a look at it. See if I got any of that in this pack here. I got a Jack Eichel. I got a pure gold Brian Little. And I got a Franz Nelson holographic hockey card. And inside of the pack, you'll see a pin. And the pin, you enter it online. And it has the instructions on how to enter the pin. Okay, let's see what we got next. Open up the next pack. We have Mike Hoffman. Oh, we got a game day action card of Ryan Miller. And we got a Steven Stamkos, which is a good one. Good goal scorer from Tampa Bay. Got one right here. Take a look. See me peel the package back for you. This might be a dandy. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Okay, we got a Blake Wheeler. Got a local leader. That's an Eric Carlson card. And we got a Joel Poleski card. And again, another serial number to enter online. Okay, so we'll open up a new pack here. And in this pack we have Drew Doughty. We got Taylor Hall. And we got Jeff Skinner. This pack, fortunately, a couple of cards came out with a little bit of bend in the corner. Condition's very important in hockey cards, so we'll open up the new pack here. See what we got. We got Robbie Fabai. And I might not be pronouncing all their names right, but give it the best shot here. Got a platinum card, platinum profiles, James Van Riesman Dyke. And a fairly easy name to pronounce, I believe, Carey Price, who won the best goalie award a few years ago. Now this right here, another pack. Let's take a look and see what we got in this pack. Ooh, starts off with a Pavel Datsuk. We got, oh, this is a nice one. Platinum Profile, Connor McDavid. Good player, good scorer. I watch him in juniors as well. And another good scorer, John Tavares. The Islanders helped them make the playoffs for the first time in a while last season. Okay, a couple more packs to open. Let's see what we get. Oh, I should open it on a camera, but James Van Riemsdyk. Regular card of him. Nice shiny cards though. Platinum Profile, Pavel Datsuk, so another Datsuk, but a Platinum Profile. And a Sam Bennett card. You may have noticed I changed my hat from the black Tim Hortons to white Tim Hortons. I think it matches the jersey a little bit better. Okay, another pack should open on camera, but in Braden Shen. And we got Mark Guadagnino, local leaders. And a PA Parental from the Leafs. Van Riemsdyk's also from the Leafs, but okay. And last but not least, last pack here, got Victor Hedman. Ooh, a nice shiny card of Zach Parise, and this is the pure gold. So I don't believe it's real gold, but it's gold colored and nice. And Corey Schneider. So these are the cards right here that we got from the packs from Tim Hortons. So that wraps up the video right there with the opening of the Tim Hortons packs. And there you see the cards, there's the packs. And should go out and grab some more coffee and get some more packs and enter these codes online and see what happens. Well, thank you for watching today, and I hope you had a great day.